forecast by the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Caribou, Maine. The first three-part noise was a specific area message encoding, or same tone, for Hancock, Penobscot, and Piscataqua counties in Maine. The second longer continuous tone was a warning alert tone. Both tones are used during periods of potentially hazardous weather to automatically activate your no-weather radio in order to warn you of the impending hazard. Tests of these capabilities are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. However, if there is severe weather in the area or the threat of severe weather developing, then the test is canceled for the week. If you own one of the new radios capable of activating via same tone and you wish to participate in this test, here is the pertinent information you will need to set your radio. The event codist for the required weekly test is RWT, or phonetically, Romeo Whiskey Tango. The area codist for Hancock County in this test is 0230009. Repeat, 0230009. The area codist for Penobscot County in this test is 0230019. Repeat, 0230019. The area codist for Piscataqua County in this test is 0230021.